G'day, I'm Andrew Lovett, and today's topic is payroll tax. Payroll tax is a crazy tax, particularly if you want to decrease unemployment. It's a direct cost on employing more people. Payroll tax is levied on the cost of payroll, net wages and withholding tax, superannuation, fringe benefits, and also on some contractors' fees. If you're above the threshold, the rate of payroll tax is getting towards 5%. It's quite high. It's a state-based tax, and different states have different thresholds and rates. Queensland has just announced an increase in the threshold for payroll tax to apply from $1.1 million to $1.3 million. And that's good news that was in the recent Queensland budget. In Queensland, the rate of payroll tax generally is 4.75%. However, for large employers where their payroll is in excess of $6.5 million, it's going to go up with this recent budget by 0.2%, which adds up to a lot of money. There's some other good news for regional employers. There'll be an automatic reduction in the level of payroll tax if you've got to pay it and you employ people in regional Queensland. Good news for Toowoomba, Rockhampton and places like that. To find out if you're a regional company depends on where your main business address is. So there's an incentive for businesses to relocate to regional areas with their headquarters. There's some other incentives like a rebate to reduce payroll tax where you employ people that have been out of work for some time or apprentices. So those changes are good news for employers in Queensland. It's based on a really crazy tax, but it would certainly provide incentive for businesses to relocate to Queensland, or more particularly to regional areas in Queensland. It's important to take account of all of the little rules that apply to payroll tax. There's grouping rules that can cause a number of companies to be considered as one combined entity for payroll tax purposes. There's rules about contractors, and it's necessary also to take account of interstate locations in the threshold calculation. So it can be quite complicated and can be a trap for growing businesses. You should take advice from a tax professional or a specialist payroll provider to make sure you've taken account of all of those little rules that can cause lots of pain. That's another tax insight from Lovett's. If you'd like more information, visit our website or give us a call.